Alright, go ahead. Good. Hey everybody, Wally here. I noticed that a couple people were asking about the horn relay video that I did a couple months ago back. So, I thought I'd give a little more detail into this new relay that I put in. And as to like which post does what and that sort of thing. Now, the closest post here is battery, so that's power. And if you trace that back through this spider web of wires, it goes into the bottom here where the circuit board actually snapped from age. So that goes back into the dash, into the firewall, and that connects to the battery. Here is the middle terminal. There's another orange, which goes to the horn. Up here, horn, so that's, these two are the power. This supplies the power, that goes to the horn to give the power. And then this is your switch. Obviously your horn button or whatever switch you have working in the dash, whether it's the original center style horn. Oh, got the switch turned off. I have a master switch so it doesn't cancel, but yeah, whatever kind of switch you have set up in here, that third terminal is for your switch. It's switch, horn, battery. In other words, power. So, hope that helps a couple guys out there. Alrighty, see ya.